What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're at Epcot's Flower and Garden.
Yep, we're here on a $50 budget to see what we can get for 2 people and see what we can get. Today we started our day at Epcot'S with our fried cinnamon bites. Those look so good.
So these are the fried cinnamon roll bites with cream cheese frosting and candied bacon. Last time I tried them, I didn't have any candied bacon left because they were a bite off of somebody else's. So I'm excited to try these too. What do you think?
They're so good. It's like that perfect crispy on the outside with a nice fluffiness on the inside. It's got some more cinnamon like glaze on the inside. It's so good. And this is a huge portion.
Yeah, it's pretty big. There's
perfect to share.
How many were there? 5, 6?
There were 6. No, there are 5.
5. Nice.
So good. Nice little treat.
So far, we've hit $5.25 with our budget with the cinnamon bites. Okay. I got a big bite of the bacon. Got a perfect mix of sweet and savory. You got bacon on top. I didn't get to try the bacon before. I didn't get any of that or the cream cheese sauce.
Really?
And I love cream cheese.
Yeah, it's good.
It's very good.
Next level.
Yeah. All right, let's make our way to the next food. We're gonna destroy these.
Yep.
Here you go, friend.
Oh, I gotta eat it
We're meeting friends. All right, we're about to cash in on our free Uncrustable. All right, so we were right across from Epcot'S, and if you go right down the center, you can get your free Uncrustable. The line is long, but we got 2 raspberries because I don't think I've ever tried raspberry.
I haven't.
Yeah, I'm excited.
About to do a food review of this, okay?
This is perfect for a budget day because it was free.
Soft bread. It's a little still frozen, so it's like perfect. A little crunch on the inside. Look at the layers.
All right, we're making our way from the Uncrustable stand over to the right here. We're gonna hit the refreshment port, get some poutine. Let's see where we're at with our budget. So far, so good. All right, we made our way over to the refreshment port. Let's hop in the line. All right, we got the Providence poutine. It was $9. All right, got the poutine. And we're making our way over to Yacht Grub. Tiffany is in the line to grab the trios of dips and chips. I'm gonna get one of these fries in before Tiffany gets out of line. Get a little brie. The honey makes this delicious. The goat brie, well, I was worried about goat because goat's usually not my favorite. It's just brie, delicious. The honey gives it a sweet little kick, and then the seasoned fries. Just can't go wrong with seasoned fries.
Those are the best poutine I've ever had. That is so good. I'm gonna keep those for myself.
All right, our next snack is gonna be the trio dips and chips, caramelized onion dipped, whipped feta dip, and a pimento cheese with house-made potato chips and caviar for $6.50. Go ahead.
So we got the trio of dips and chips.
And this is
The pimento.
Yep, there you go.
It's good. It's actually kind of refreshing. It's creamy. And then this is the
French onion. That's caviar on top too.
French onion is definitely my favorite. It's really good. It's like your classic French onion, but like it's nice and salty.
Yeah, it's got that little caramelized onion in it, so it does give it a little different variety from like your normal hell of a good.
Yeah.
But it is the best one. Did you get any caviar?
I did. I didn't taste it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like it.
But you know, hey, it's fancy.
Yeah. And then the feta.
The whipped feta. It's feta. It's delicious.
Yeah. Like I said last time we got this, well, I didn't get it, but friends got it and shared it. They're all like super refreshing. They're not super heavy. The chips are deliciously like fresh baked. It's a good little snack. How you really hated the poutine, didn't you?
Yeah, not good.
After we got the trio of dips and chips, we are officially at $20.75.
And I'm not like full, but I'm like satisfied with each of these items. Like, they're perfect to share.
Nothing super heavy, but at the same time, it is fulfilling. And we got plenty more budget of our $50, spend to still work through food. So let's move on to the next spot. All right, we got dropped off in Morocco, making our way through Japan. Not stopping here. We're gonna stop off in America because the friends got some mac and cheese. And I think our next stop after that is Germany. But we're making our way to the USA right now. Take a little break there. These guys got a little snack for themselves. It is busy today. The crowds are here. And it's a beautiful day, so it makes all the sense in the world.
As far today, we have tried the mini cinnamon roll bites, the trio of dips and chips, the poutine, which have all been bangers.
Yes.
The only thing I did not like was the feta dip. It had like a sourness to it, which I think came from the lemon. Mm-hmm. But other than that, everything has been really, really good. I'm excited to see what else we're gonna get, and very shareable, very shareable. So it just fits in with a good budget that you can go out 2 people and spend less than $50
easily.
Yeah,
we're like halfway through the budget right now, and I'm cool with not eating for a couple stops.
Yeah,
like
we're
chilling.
Good.
They're stopping to get mac and cheese. We're not getting anything in the Regal Eagle today. We're just soaking up the AC and got the table for them. We're just gonna chill, but yeah. So far, so
it's been a good day.
Yeah.
We are making our way out of the American Pavilion and heading over to Germany. See what kind of goodies we can get there. Making our way through Italy, which we are not making a pit stop at because it is known to have the worst festival booths. So we're just gonna go on right past it like it doesn't even exist.
I heard that Snow White is your favorite.
Snow White?
Or, Dopey.
Dopey is my favorite because he looks like my handsome little man.
With his big eyes.
His big eyes, big cheeks.
Very cute.
I love it.
It is a cool topiary.
It is really good.
So cute. We got our toasted pretzel bread with Black Forest ham and melted cheese. This one was $6. This one puts us at $26.75.
Ooh, that looks good. Thank you.
You're welcome. You chose this one. You chose pretty much everything on this list.
That cheese is good.
But you were pretty adamant.
Today is my day.
It is her day. You're right. Go ahead. Take a bite of that.
That is the most delicious elevated like ham and Swiss cheese sandwich you could ever have.
You're usually not a big ham person either.
But that is good.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Delicious. It is like a hot ham and cheese.
Yeah.
On a pretzel.
I'm making a mess of myself today. Ham and Swiss pretzel. Very good. But it's nice and it's almost like sauce cheese a little bit on the inside. Black Forest ham's amazing.
It's got like a crispy cheese on the outside that they melted, but then it's got like a ooey gooey cheese on the inside. That you
The
like a
ham
cheese
gives
sauce.
it. The ham gives it a little salt, so it works perfect with the pretzel. Yeah, it's very good. I'm gonna eat the rest of it. You want the rest?
No, that's you.
Okay.
We're sharing evenly.
We're sharers and we care.
I'm gonna extra film this time, just in case.
Okay.
We're heading out of Germany and going into China.
All right, next we have the house-made cheesy crab wontons. Fried wontons filled with cream cheese, celery, and imitation crab stick drizzled with plum chili sauce, and this was $9.75. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Bite into that thing. Is it giving crab rangoon? Yeah.
It's so good.
Nice.
That sauce is better than the sweet and sour sauce that you usually get with them.
Ooh,
It's like sweet and spicy. It's really good.
nice. Ooh, that crunch. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, it is kind of like a ragoon. I mean, essentially it is a crab ragoon. That chili sauce is sweet.
Sweet,
good.
spicy, and it got like a little orange flavor to it.
Yeah, a little citrus in it.
Yeah.
I love anything cream cheese. Yeah, this is very delicious too. Nice and creamy. Full of flavor.
Nice crunch from the wonton.
Yep. And that imitation crab tastes like real crab, so it's a win.
We just left China and we're headed into Mexico for, I believe, our final stop. So we have the giant tostada. So it's a tostada with barbacoa beef, guacamole, pumpkin seeds with a salsa maja.
Great job, babe.
Are you gonna cut all that?
This was $11.50,
So this is the most expensive.
but it also looks like the biggest thing we've got.
I think this is like probably the third best thing to share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Okay. Ready for the second one?
Oh, it's spicy. The heat hits you there with that salsa. Guacamole kind of cools it down. It is really, really good. It almost has like a birria flavor to it with the beef.
Okay.
It's really good. Nice crispiness. I would definitely get this again. Mexico always like kills it though. Every single year.
Let's go. My turn. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Crunch is amazing. I'm a newfound lover of avocado, so I'm glad that's on there. That is like a birria type beef. It's got some spice. It is hot.
Yeah.
That crunch is amazing. Yeah, Mexico killed it again this year. Delicious. It's
Guacamole
gigantic.
kind of cools it down, right?
A little bit. There's also something on top that's giving it like, not a corn flavor, but like, I don't know. All the flavors are working together. It's definitely a mouthful of flavor, and it's got whatever the sauce is.
So spicy.
It's got a heat to it. It's got heat to it for sure. I'm gonna hit the water and then finish this, but it's very delicious. All right, guys, we made out good. A lot of delicious food. We only spent $47.75. We got 6 items.
Yep.
All delicious. I will note that we did bring a Stanley, and we just throughout the parks you can get refills with water. We just kept pouring those cups into our Stanley, so we didn't worry about beverages.
And I think if you wanted to have like a beverage here or there, regardless if it's non-alcoholic or alcoholic beverage, if you bumped your price up to $60, you could definitely get some drinks in there.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 drinks, I would say, because they're roughly around $5 a piece. So
some of the drinks get up there. But
but there's definitely reasonable priced ones. So if you do want to drink,
Yeah.
I would say your budget needs to look more like 60, or just take something off the food items that we got.
Yeah,
to
we
fit in
did.
a drink.
I'm full.
Yeah. I feel comfortable. I'm good without eating. That was like lunch. It was like a nice lunch, but you got to try multiple different things. I'm really satisfied. I will definitely say there was only maybe, I think, one thing that I wouldn't get again.
That feta dip.
No, because the feta dip comes with the
other dips.
The other dips, so I still think that's worth it because the other dips are so good and kind of refreshing, which is weird to say for like a cheese like platter.
Mm-hmm.
But it was the pretzel ham cheese. It just wasn't like remarkable. I feel like I can make that at home super easy. Like, you know, it just was like throwing a piece of ham and some cheese on some pretzel bread, and you know, does it sound bad? No. Was it bad? Absolutely not. But it wasn't worth.
We could have got something a little bit more fancy than just a pretzel bread sandwich.
For sure.
But I enjoyed everything we got today.
You actually could have gotten, and that's what we opted out for, the jerk chicken, which comes with plantains, rice, and a piece of jerk chicken for $6.50. Yeah, same price, I believe.
Yeah, that's a pretty big meal. That would have stretched between us pretty well.
Oh yeah, we'd be overly stuffed if we got that, I believe.
Right, $47.75, not bad. Under $50, under our budget. And we had a good few hours. We've been here for about 3-4 hours.
Yeah, you can definitely enjoy your day without spending, like breaking the bank. I don't know. I really enjoyed it. I had a good day with you.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Love hanging out with you.
Oh.
All right, well.
Aren't we cute?
Yeah, aren't we so cute? Well, thanks for hanging out with the guys. Do all the things, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.